For supporting your boys. Hats off ako, Mr. Noriel Toralba. Okay, game number 1. Tusap, again taken by number 13. Oh, no. One more try. And number 12, fake. Wala pa rin. Taken by number 12, fake, shoot. And again, the longest time, number 13. Labaw ba yun? Labaw! Score! That's number 4! Lali may cannot penetrate the inside. And taken by rebound number 1 by Grison, mga kaibigan. This is our second game, no, game number 1. Going final round to number 64, Sacramento airball. And again, rebound again taken by, of course, that is number 12. Again taken back to Australia to number 12. And he cannot right there is the last touch by, of course, I have the Butler boys.
Huh? Bibigyan mo ko ng kopya niyan.
Inbound!
Para maihap.
Pass to nobody. And turnover. Error number 1 for Butler. That's number 13. Rifko. I'm sorry. Sorry, it's number 37. Basta ito number 3 po, Mitran! Pagputihin mo, iyo! Dito si Mami! Mrs. Mitran, good evening, ma'am!
Counted.
And again, there is a foul committed. And a foul address to number 37, mga kaibigan. First foul on the first of the team, mga kaibigan. Iron smoke! Tindi mo! Where the score, Mapi Paddy. It's the Guy. Mr. Egay, good evening, sir. I'll take no glass.
Tama na ako dito.
Mr. Jacob Sambola, good evening, sir. At sa lahat ng manonood dito, number 17 baseline, mga kaibigan, ay pinasa sa number 28. Royal Baseball, volleyball pass, pasok ito, Andy. Andy, score! And again, protect the ball, uses lead body and score for 2 by Andy Bien, mga kaibigan. Score po natin is deadlock tayo, the first deadlock of the game. With again, number 37, De La Guerra, inside 2, pass again to Oh, Mitran! Mitran! And a traveling error by Mitran, mga kaibigan. It's the first deadlock of the game, mga kaibigan. With again, Australia. Pass again to Australia. Again to Captain Robledo. No. Pass again to the other guy. Again, baseline to the again. Pass to Takoy. Slicing in. And score. Nagbago ang hierdo ni Jimenez, ano? Okay. Kaya na, nagbago ako sa gupit. And again, number 37, Del Guerra. To Grison, to Del Guerra. Guerra. Rapas. Again, taken by Australia. Kakampi ko ang langit. Wala, hindi ko kakampi ang langit, Australia. But there is a foul, will go to the line, mga kaibigan.
Mahalo tayo. Technical tayo pag tumulong.
Foul address to number 64. First foul on second of the team. And our referee for tonight is none other than Mr. Boeta, Mr. Lito, and of course, Mr. Mark of the BOG, mga. BRG, Basketball Referee Group. Ano yan sa aking mga kaibigan na taga... Wala na pala. Umuwi na. Lead pass to number 37. 37 dropping the ball. And again, a long shot by number 34. Wala. Rebound again by Grison. Pass again to Del Guerra ba yan? Oh, Labaw. Pass again to Grison, spin. Nawala to Labaw. And again, taken by Andy Bien. Mga kaibigan, pass to the point guard. Pass again to Ferdy Dagoy. Ferdy Dagoy, number 11. Slicing in. And a foul address to number 11. First foul on the first of the team, mga kaibigan. Sino po may-ari ng Alto Suzuki po? Paki-ano lang po, may lalabas po. Alto Suzuki, lalabas po. Sino may-ari ng Alto Suzuki? Mayroon pong lalabas.